Hey Queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you have entered into Queens Inc. So if you're new here, my name is Inga and I sell cosmetics on two platforms, Etsy and Shopify. And if you'd like to join this nation, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. So let's get this party started, guys. So now I have on my gloves. I haven't done this in a while. My three dishes here, you know where I got those from. The Versagel is in the dishes, and I have my mica, my lip pigments, and some flavoring oils all set up for you guys. So let's go ahead and do this. So as you can see, the Versagel that is in the bowl, it's not, it doesn't have any oil or anything in it as yet, and it has a really thick like consistency. So the first thing that I want to do, guys, is that chocolatey, shimmery fall color that you see most people wearing these days. So I want to do a mixture of that for you guys, and I'm going to be using my lip pigments to do all of these mixtures. And if you guys want to check those out or any of the videos that I have on it, you can just I'll have something linked above, or you can just go to my shops, my Etsy. They have been selling like crazy. These nude bundles that I have are bestsellers, so you guys can go and check those out. So I will be adding my grapeseed oil, of course, and some of my fractionated coconut oil, but I really like to do most of it with the grapeseed oil. Just take the cover off of this. Yeah, so just gonna add some more to that mixture, and then you guys know I'm just gonna stir this around. I don't want it too loose. We want a good firm mixture at first, because we're going to add the lip liquids into this, because and they are also made with oil, so therefore we don't have to go crazy right now with adding too much oil in this mixture. See, that's what I'm looking for at first. So what I do with these little mixtures that I'm mixing right now, I use these for samples. Sometimes I give them away with orders, and sometimes I have them for sale. So we'll see what's going to happen with Black Friday, and then I'll decide how I'm going to do it. So that's that mixture for that. So right now, I'm going to be adding some of my chocolate brown. This is amazing. So I really wanted to do this because a lot of people have been having problems mixing, especially if it's their first time. They panic, and I have been getting a lot of DMs about mixing and how to mix this, how to mix the colors. So I hope you guys are watching. So you have that brown there, it's starting. So we're gonna add some more brown to that. We want this to be really deep and rich. And what I also do is, like I tell everyone, I never leave out my white. I always add a dab of white. I think the white gives it a creamy texture. And then I just go on what I'm doing. Yeah, the white gives it a more creamy texture. And it also makes it last on your lips. But if you guys watch, I'm also going to be adding some mica to this mixture. Okay, so it's still not the brown that I want, so I'm going to add some more. So this brown is a lip safe. You guys should know that by now. My lip pigments are 100% lip safe. So with that being said, I'm just going to add some of my extreme chocolate to this mixture. there you have it. I don't know if you guys tried that out also, but I have that also at my Etsy shop. So you see where it's getting loose because the lip pigments have oils in them. Okay, yeah, this is what we have so far. That's that chocolatey rich brown that we have. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add some of this 24 karat gold. It's kind of sort of like a mica. It's really soft and silky, and it's perfect for the lips. It's cosmetic grade, and it's for the lips. So I'm just going to add this, and let me put in a plug here. I do have this at my Etsy shop also. These have been, they sold out once, and I stocked them, I think yesterday. So these sell very well. I also did go ahead and added a bit of a dash of some pink mica, just a little bit. Okay. And then I will be adding the oils to this and some more of that gold glitter because we want to see it through it. So I'm just gonna go crazy with this because we need to see it. Okay. So there we have it again. Just let me, and I'm gonna add cinnamon and peppermint to this. Those go good together. Just a little dab, flavoring oils. Yep. Yep. And this is what is in Versagel, so this is not harmful. So we can add some of this. It makes the lips more silkier, and it's the hydrogenated polyisobutane, if I said that right. So there you have it. Just gonna stir this. So you can just add the coloring to your liking, how deep you want it, how light you want it. But these are fall colors, and yeah. So that should be enough oil for that. And then I'm just gonna add a dash more of the glitter because we really want it to stand out. You guys are seeing that correctly. So I'm just going to be moving right along for the sake of time, and I'm just going to go into my next mixture, and this is going to be the red. This is a holiday mixture, like more like wintry Christmas vibes going on here. And also you can incorporate it with the fall because it's like a darkish, brightish reddish, if you know what I'm saying, color. And I'm gonna add the gold dust to that also, and this color is absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect for fall, and it's perfect for Christmas and winter time. So what I'm doing is I'm mixing up everything real quick for you guys, and then I'll show you the finished products of these gorgeous glosses at the end. So here we have the last mixture, and this is I think my favorite. This is caramel. Oh my gosh, I just love this lip liquid pigment that I have with the new bundle. I think this is my favorite flavor or color. Just look how creamy and rich it is. It looks exactly like a caramel soft chewy candy. Yeah. And what I did was I add a little bit more of the Versagel because it wasn't enough in there. And I'm just going to add the gold dust and the flavors and everything else good that goes with it. And this came out absolutely stunning, guys. So I am adding a tad bit of the grapeseed oil to this because I thought it was a little thick. And what I'm gonna do is right now I'm just gonna be pouring everything into these little bowls that I got from TKB. You guys know about these also. And just look how the creamy brown is, that juicy vibrant red, the winter red. And then we have the caramel that is going to be next. And I did an extra color for you guys, like a mauve, I think. And this one is so pigmented. And it's going to be placed right to these three, so you guys will know what I'm talking about. So yeah, there you have it. These colors are absolutely stunning. They're gorgeous. And like I said, I use these for samples. If you guys order, you will be seeing some of these. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and I hope you learned a lot. For those of you who have been wondering how to do this thing, yeah. And with that being said, if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like these videos, and turn on that notification bell because you don't miss out on another video by me. It is getting to that time of the year, Black Friday. We're going to have a lot of great deals and a lot of great stuff going on, so you guys can stay tuned and be watchful, yeah. So I am clapping my hands in this video. I don't know why, but these are some swatches you guys are looking at. And until next time, we will play catch up and I'll see you guys in my next video.